Instagram. Look at that. Got that hood fixed. Took a little time, got her fixed. She laid down. Not only that, check this out. See them seats in there? Peep what else in there. Got that carpet shaped up. Got that carpet shaped up in that car. Fitting all the way in there. Look at that. Just gotta be patient. That's all. Just gotta be patient. Y'all see it. Looking good, looking good. Little by little, y'all. Little by little. Gone. Passenger side frame before. Got the hole in it there. The seam line, you can see that seam line, not welded. Up the whole bottom half, not welded. All the way back. Hole in the frame there that was filled with body putty. You possibly can see it. The body putty that was put in. This also had body putty on it. So, upper half, same thing. Not welded, just seam sealed together. Holes through the entire piece. Back bottom. Holes not welded. You see that? Not welded piece there. Not welded. Up inside the body bushing. Hopefully you can see that. Body putty. Where it was squeezed through. Squeeze body putty through to try to cover it up. The inside part not welded. So this whole wall right here, not welded at all. Right in here. Right up in here. And again, all the way around the whole piece, not welded. So this is before it gets fixed. See holes. So it'll be fixed today. So everything should be fine today. All right. This is the before. Not welded up top. Just a bunch of spackles. You can see that. It's not welded. Just a bunch of spackles. That's the whole. This whole section here is not welded at all. It's a holes to a big gaping hole. Alright, so this all will be fixed today. Show you the finished product when it's done. YouTube. Got the old cutty back up again. It's part 2 of the frame fixing. I'm gonna show y'all the video of how this bad boy was looking. This the passenger side. We're cleaning that part up. This part up here, y'all know this was the side that had the putty in it. Come to find out, he took a bunch of plates, laid them on top of each other, and seam sealed all of them. But the pink putty he had up in this corner and down here at the bottom where that is, he had a plate laying on here. If you can see that, that's just, it fell off. Once he hit it with this little hammer joint. I guess welders, y'all know what this thing here is. It's like a hammer joint. He hit the whole thing. The plate fell off back here. The plate fell off up here. So that's how my man's done when it came to my frame. So y'all already knew the upper half wasn't welded, so he just opened that back up. Same thing on the bottom half. Y'all see that? Won't even weld it. So this plate just fell off. It had body putty filling the hole. So he's making a plate to block that off there. And then back here, it was the same thing. He had just stuck the frame notch kit panel. He just stuck it in there, took the old frame that he cut and just body puttied and seam sealed it on and tacked in a few spots and tried to smooth it and make it look like it was welded. But, you know, it was terrible. That joint was gonna fall off, y'all. I'm telling y'all, with the type of power this car got, as soon as he would have hit this, I would have hit this joint and hit the wrong type of bump or whatever, torque or whatever, it was straight up gonna just fall off. That seam seal was not holding, y'all. So this part 2, we getting close on it. You see he boxing it in the back. Look up under this joint. I got plenty clearance back there now on the frame. It's pretty much gonna match this side over here. Y'all see how that one is there. Pretty much gonna match that one. So we working it out now. So everything should be squared away. So you know, he's still filling in these gaps. You know, he's filling in the gaps. So everything gonna be pretty cool. So, but y'all see, gotta protect it all. And again, we found another little bit of rust right there in the tub. So we're gonna put a patch, gonna grind this out, put some treatment on it, and put a patch on that joint too. So we working it out, y'all. All this stuff should have been done by the first shot. But I guess you live and you learn. So she protected though. Got the fire cloth on, got the plastic over. It's taped up like crazy. All different types of tape. Fire cloths covering my springs and everything, so everything good. But I hit y'all back when I got some more. Go ahead. Got a little bit more done, y'all. Got that joker boxed in there now, y'all. Still working, still filling in gaps and holes. But for the most part, got most of that stuff boxed in good. Now we just gotta run that second rod, fill in everything, strengthen up everything. Grind it down, get it smooth. And the next move gonna be take care of this spot here. She coming along, y'all. She coming along. Coming along, little by little. Gotta get that undercarriage looking right. I'm getting ready to tackle them cutouts while I'm back here. I got them open. I kind of pushed them open, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get them to close on their own so I can put the screws back in to fix it and get it going like it needs to. So that's the next move. Then after that, these brakes, y'all, they leaking from the caliper. Wheelwood brakes, they leaking from right here on both sides, excuse me. Right here on both sides. I got that one covered up, so I gotta take this piece out here, put some Teflon tape on both of them, screw them back in. But I'm taking this car to the brake shop, and I'm gonna let them put my Wheelwood e-brake cable kit on and let them bleed the brakes and make sure the brakes and stuff straight on this joint. I mean, we bled it once before, but like I said, it's leaking in the back here, so that ain't a good thing. So I'm gonna take them to the brake shop, and I'm gonna let the brake shop get all that stuff and work all that stuff out. So, but we slowly working it out. We slowly getting stuff going. So, y'all know I hit y'all back. Got some more. All right, y'all. We got it finished. Got it blocked off good. Done good. Getting ready to treat it and seal it all up. So both sides are now done. Ready to move on to the next phase of repair. Get this car ready to get on the road. So, all right, y'all. proud of it. Alright, so YouTube, here go my keys to the Cutlass. Alright, mode start, push button start. And this is the open and close button to my cutouts. So I had to get the frame done on this joker, which I got that done now, of course, like I just showed you. But I also had to get up under here, which I've been showing y'all me going up under this bad boy. So if you can see the cutouts there, you got one there, you got one there. The bad boy just stuck open for a while. So I had to figure out how exactly to fix it. So I put a little penetrant oil on them and got them opening and closing again. Had to put the screws back in them. See that? See that? Got them opening and closing again. See that, y'all? Little stuff make us men happy. It ain't money, it ain't all that other stuff. Maybe it is money, but little stuff like that, little simple stuff like that, put a smile on your face as a man. Just knowing that this stuff is coming together little by little. The struggle, but it's coming together, and that's me pushing the button. This could be done within the car. So while I'm sitting in the car, I could do this, y'all. So driving up and down the road, you know, if I want to just go straight pipe, straight back, I can do that. If I want to come through these Flow X pipes here, 'cause I still got mufflers on. I got the Flow X series on here, and they sound real good. So I can either come through that, or I can just come straight pipe. So yeah, I'm cool with that. No issues. Everything seeming to look alright. But now the next move for me get ready to be these brakes. I gotta figure these brakes out while they leaking. So yeah. I'm gonna put the stock wheels back on it. They over there in the corner, as you can see. Hopefully you can see. Stacked up over there. I'm gonna put the stock wheels back on it. I'm gonna take it to the brake shop and get them to put the emergency cables on, the wheelwood emergency cables, and bleed all the brakes and probably stop the leaks I got on the back. Probably end up sending it to them to get that done. But for the most part, man, we got both sides of the frame done. We got the cutouts working like they supposed to. Then after I come from the brake shop, I told you I wanted to get my doors done, because I don't like the waviness in my doors, which a lot of people say they don't really see it, but I do. But for now, I figure later down the line, you know, I'll redo the car again one of these days, later down the line. Right now, she's looking pretty good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let the doors ride for right now. And then, you know, later down, like I said, I'll just get it redone. Same color, I like this color. I wanted this color for the long haul on this car. So I ain't gonna be playing with the colors too much. I'm gonna keep the colors the same. So when I redo it, I'm gonna get that same exact color, get it painted again. So I'll do that later down the line. There's a few other little spots that's popping up now from the bad body work, what happened at the other shop. So I'll work that out down the line. But meanwhile, I'm gonna get to the brake shop. I'm gonna get the brakes and stuff straight, and then the next thing gonna be to get my windows put in and my windshield put in. Danny's Glass here in Hampton. I'm sure there are other places too, but I've been going to Danny's getting windshields and stuff for years, so they gonna look out for me on the windshield as well as putting the windows in. I was gonna do the windows myself. Them things are headache. I mean, they simple. There ain't nothing major that you can do, but I don't really feel like it. So I'm gonna let them put the windows in. They'll also be able to adjust the windows to my T-tops and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna let them do that part and put the studs in on the windshield. So yeah, y'all, I hit y'all back when I got some more. This CJ the detail guy. I'm gone. Everything fixed. Oh, I feel that much better. Both frames are been corrected. Looking good.